my friends, we just released our newest club set and look at how adorable it is. Can you believe it? Well, let me show it to you. But first, I need to tell you, club members, you are getting a freebie this month. Our Stamp and Die Hard club members are getting freebies in this month's shipment. Why? Because we love you. We thought, why not? Let's give them a freebie. So we gave you a freebie. Now, let's look at how adorable this stamp set is. First of all, you get this cute little lemonade stand, but you know what? It could be any kind of stand. And when I show you my samples, you're gonna really understand what I mean. We have a little hello there. We have some lemons. We have some cups. We have a separate lemon, a separate cup. We have a jug of lemonade, a pitcher of lemonade, another lemon. We have lemonade. Life is short, make it sweet. I want to squeeze you. You are my main squeeze. Have the zest birthday. Isn't it cute? Squeeze the day. I love it. And I stand by you, my friend, because get it, it's a lemonade stand or any kind of stand. Now, Stamp Club members, you're getting this and the freebie and the handy dandy postcard that shows some cute ideas. Don't forget, there's a lot more ideas on our online gallery on our website. But Die Hard Club members, you're getting the same stamps, dun, 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 and the dies that match. Now, a unique thing that we do is we give you the inside dies as well. So if you want to die cut the shadow, great, we have it. If you want to die cut the actual image only, boom, guess what? We have it. It's so amazing. I know, isn't it awesome? So check that out. Now, let's look at all the awesome samples because you know what? They're gonna knock your socks off. So first, let's look at this one a little bit closer, just because I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Inside, open that. When life gets hard, make hard lemonade. That's a sneak peek. Okay, but if you don't wanna do lemonade, let's do cupcakes. Let's make a cupcake stand. Or a lemonade stand. Now you're saying, oh, I love that, but where do I get the cupcake, or where do I get that cute little tablecloth or that cute little banner? But wait, there's more, because you know what? We always do add-on sets. I can never fit everything on a 4x6 stamp set. If I did, all the images would be this big because I just get so many ideas. So don't worry, there's others. And if you get them quick, you can get that bundle. Here we go. Look at this on an A1 size card. My friends, it can fit on an A2 or an A1. Look how cute that is. Don't you absolutely love that? This one is popped up to the max. I absolutely love it. Here it is on an A2. Cold drinks, fresh flowers. Look at that, so many options. Fresh flowers, drinks, lemonade, cupcakes, or look at this, with our Nomies. Look how cute this is. This is like a whole little carnival, right? This is on a slim line. We have kisses for 5 cents. We have hot chocolate for 25 cents. Or we have flowers over here. Isn't that dang adorable? So that's with our Nomi set, which is so cute. And our ice cream truck to stamp. I love that. Now, you can also, so you can use it with our Nomies, you can also use it with our little peeps. Isn't that cute? Now, you know all the little peeps fit in the same clothes, so they will fit back there. So adorable. I absolutely love that. You can also do it with our fun net background. You know how much I love that burlap background. I use it all the time. Look how cute that is. Have the zest birthday. Love that. And here's another cute one. I love this. Look how pretty, different color combinations. Isn't that so much fun? I love all the different combinations. Our team is amazing. Here is another little peep here with her lemonade stand on a step-up card, which is so cute. Look how fun that step-up is. Look at that. You got our little girl on there. I love it. This is Kirsten, and the dress comes from the bunny. So adorable. She is ready to sell you some lemonade. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Kenny gets up extra early to make sure they get in the mail to you. If you're not in the club, what am I going to do with you? You can be in the Stamp Club for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes the stamp set each month. And you'd actually get that freebie too. Now, if you join the club, you get a 15% discount on our website. You get club points. You get anniversary gifts and freebies every once in a while. So our Stampin' Club, Die Hard Club are getting this freebie right here. Our Folded Club got a different freebie. Let me tell you guys, we have so much fun. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, Or you can also go to our official Facebook fan page. We don't run it. Go check it out. Make sure you search official Facebook fan page. And it's just a wonderful, happy, fun place to be. There's like 2 questions you have to answer to join. And it's just a lovely place. Ask them if they like the club. Let me tell you, they can tell you all about it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Hello, my friends. What should we sell today? Should it be lemonade or should it be cupcakes? Well, you know what? The choice is ours because this new club set is so much fun. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, because you know what? There's lots of other things you could sell at this cute little lemonade stand. Thanks so much. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.